Hey everyone, this is Udit. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not anything about learning or any design patterns or system design. This video is all about my new gift that I've got from Microsoft. So Microsoft has sent me some swags, and I thought I should create a video on that. I received it today morning, and generally I can't wait to open my gifts, but this time I thought I should create a video on this. So I have waited till now, like till evening, because during the day there's like so much noise in the background. So I thought I should create a video in the evening. And yeah, here we go. So let's see one by one what all is there in the gift. So I'm just opening it. The gift is a pretty big one. I have received swags earlier also, but this looks a bit bigger this time. I think there are a lot of stuff in there. Let's see. In the mail, I could see there were jackets and all, but I don't know what exactly is there. Okay, so I can already see. There is lots of stuff in it. Let me just put it aside and open it one by one for you. So the very first item is I can take out is this jacket. This jacket is super cool. I think it will fit my size too. This is nice. So I've got this full sleeves jacket. So I don't know. Actually, this gift has come directly from US. So I don't know which company is it. I don't know only Indian companies. I'm not very fond of companies. So yeah, this is the first item that I've got. Second item I've got is this t-shirt, I think. Yep. So yeah, this is the t-shirt I've got, right? This is again looks very nice. The color is very decent. I like the color. I also did not have any t-shirt of grey color, so I think that will be a good addition. Next item. Yes, so it looks multiple things in this bag. So let's open it. Oops. So the very first item is this mug. It's a big mug. I think I won't be drinking coffee in this. I'll be drinking something, either soup or something. I don't know which cup is this for. I have never used a big cup. So yeah, that's the third item. And the fourth item that I've got is, I don't know what is this. This looks like some blanket or something. So I think these are winters these days, right? So Microsoft has sent all the winter items except this cup and one more thing, which I'll just show you. So I just stand there, show you. Nice. So I don't know what is this. This looks like some shawl or something, ladies shawl. I don't know. So yeah, this is the third item. It looks like to have it on you. I don't know what is this, frankly speaking. And the next item, the last item that I have is like, this is very interesting, and I have got one mask, and this. Oops. So this looks really nice again. So there is a mask, and they have thought of like it's coronavirus time and we should be safe. So they have sent one mask too. This looks really nice. Just put it inside bag. And the last item I have is this card, and it is signed by some senior people of Microsoft, some leadership people, and they have written some messages. Let me read it for you. I look forward to working with you, from my family to yours. This is nice. Wishing you and your loved ones a wonderful holiday season. Thank you, team. Enjoy a wonderful, restful break. Looking forward to a great 2021 together. Thanking you for all you have done this year. Have a great break, Team Geo. Best wishes for a happy and healthy holiday season. So these are all, and these are all from people who are very high in leadership. So Kevin, Sarah, these are very senior people in Microsoft. So yeah, that's all. I think these are the gifts. These looks lot many. I'm thinking to wear this jacket now. Let me just wear this and show you a photo. So yeah, I'm wearing this jacket now. This looks super cool. I mean, the cloth is like very good. The material is very good. And yeah, I got it from Microsoft, so it has a special feeling to it. Awesome. I'll keep posting such videos. This is the first time I'm doing such a thing, right? I get lots of stuff from Microsoft. Like not only me, everyone in Microsoft gets lots of stuff, and that's a big perk of working with a company like Microsoft. And if you also want such kind of stuff, then you know what you have to do. You have to learn stuff. You have to clear the interviews, and you have to join Microsoft. There are lots of stuff which I create. There are lots of videos that I create on system design, which are actually asked in companies like Microsoft. They ask a lot about system design, low level design, high level design. How will you design WhatsApp? How will you do low level design of some problems? So just go through the videos which I have created and learn about it, give the interviews, clear them, and join Microsoft and get this stuff. So yeah, that's all from my side for this video. Hope you like it, and I definitely like this swag, right? Keep following the channel. I'll just keep posting more such videos, and don't forget to hit the notification icon. Bye bye till then.